me, you do everything in your power to protect your pack. That's why Wondercide offers the safest products possible to protect your family. My name is Stephanie Boone, and I'm the founder and CEO at Wondercide. Today I'm going to show you how to protect your pets with Wondercide Flea and Tick Control Spray. Spray the coat and rub in the opposite direction. Mist body, belly, legs, and tail as close to the skin as possible. Spray into your hands to apply to ears and face. We also recommend using hands to apply on cats. Apply every 2 to 3 days or as needed. Reapply before going into heavily affected areas like trails and parks. Don't forget to pick the right size for your pet. Make sure you treat your whole environment to ensure total flea and tick elimination and prevention. Thank you for choosing Wondercide to protect your pack.